Today I'm gonna make a candy craft. So first we need to spell candy. So that starts with a C. Then it goes in N.
Show yourself. It's your turn.
Okay, now we're gonna do a D. And there we go. Now we need to draw some lollipops. A Y. Okay. Then we're gonna draw a Y.
Tell him how to draw a Y. No, don't find that card.
Then we're gonna draw some lollipops, some Sour Patch Kids, and all that stuff. Sugary. So first, we're gonna make a line down for the lollipop, for the sucker stick. And we're gonna go round and round. Like that. We're gonna do another. Then we're gonna do a Sour Patch Kid. That has 3. And then down. Then it needs body. And add some legs.
That's a Sour Patch Kid.
This is its smile.
Ah!
That's its smile. And then,
Stop it.
okay, so here's my Sour Patch Kids. I don't draw Sour Patch Kids very good. Now we're gonna make another lollipop.
Stop. Your sister's trying to end your video. No, I'm not.
So here's a paper.
Okay, see,